Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to check out 5 best affordable waterproof camera. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Olympus TG5 Waterproof Camera. The Olympus Tough TG5 is built for adventure, and packed with professional features that help you nail bright, crisp outdoor shots, even in challenging conditions. You'll find imaging firepower that's optimized for shooting action, like a fast f2.0 Olympus lens, high-resolution RAW stills, and spectacular Ultra HD 4K video. Microscope macro modes shoot high magnification stills of small subjects, up to 1 centimeter from the lens, and nighttime live composite mode makes it easy to shoot incredible cityscapes and star trails. Action track sensors record location, temperature, direction, and altitude data that bring your images and video to life. The Tough TG5 is waterproof, shockproof, crushproof, freeze-proof, dustproof, and features anti-fog dual-pane lens glass. No other camera handles so much abuse, while producing stunning photography like the TG5. Number 4. GoPro HERO6 Black Waterproof Camera. HERO6 Black transforms your adventures into incredible quick stories right on your phone. It transforms your footage to your phone into an awesome edited video automatically. With 4K 60 and 1080p 240 video, HERO6 Black delivers 2x the performance compared to Hero 5 Black. With an all-new GP1 chip optimized for GoPro capture, HERO6 Black delivers vastly improved image quality and smooth stabilized footage. HERO6 Black is waterproof to 33 feet or 10 meter without a housing. Easily control your HERO6 Black with commands like GoPro Shoot Burst. Featuring 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can copy photos and videos over to your phone 3x faster than with Hero 5 Black. Featuring touch zoom and an updated UI, the 2-inch display makes it easy to frame shots, change settings and play back footage. Number 3. Nikon W300 Waterproof Digital Camera. Show the world what you're made of. Some people are happy to take pictures from the comfort of the sidelines. That's nice. But if you want to be part of the action, you need a camera as tough as you. For those thrill seekers and action hounds, meet the FinePix W300, a tough as nails camera designed for the extremes. Waterproof, freeze-proof, shockproof and dustproof, it captures 4K Ultra HD video, 16MP photos, time-lapse movies and more in the harshest conditions. Bring it surfing, skiing, scuba diving, biking, climbing. Wherever your adventures lead. Use the built-in GPS, e-compass, altimeter, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Low Energy to track and share every heart-pounding moment. Show the world what you're really made of. Number 2. Ricoh WG50 Waterproof Camera. Ricoh Imaging is pleased to announce new WG series camera, the WG50. The Ricoh WG series is well known for its tough design, which can be used under harsh conditions. With the Ricoh WG50, we achieved a waterproof performance down to 14 meter, and a shockproof against falls from a height of 1.6 meter. The Ricoh WG50 also features a freeze-proof design to withstand temperatures as low as 10, and is crush-proof against weights up to 100 kg force. With newly added outdoor view setting mode, a mode which instantly changes the brightness of the LCD, the WG50 is far more suitable with outdoor activity than any other previous WG model. Number 1. Fujifilm FinePix XP130 Waterproof Digital Camera. The FinePix XP130 is the latest model in the XP series, rugged camera category. Waterproof to 65 feet, shockproof up to 5.8 feet, freeze-proof to 14 Fahrenheit, and dustproof makes this camera ideal for all your outdoor adventures. The camera comes with 16.4 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. Fujinon 5x28 to 140 mm wide-angle optical zoom. Bluetooth capability. The newly installed Bluetooth Low Energy technology allows automatic and instant image transfer to smartphones and tablet devices by easy pairing registration. George tagging capability. Choose whether location data downloaded from your smartphone is embedded in pictures as they are taken on your XP130. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comments section. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for watching more videos.